Hello everyone, this is Serena from Henan Shiyun New Energy Company. Today let's talk about the differences between the expansion joint and the force transfer joint. The expansion joint can be actually expanded in a certain range to ensure the operation of the pipeline. Once the pipeline expansion too large, it can play the limited role. The main advantage of the expansion joints as follows: concentrate and absorb the actual natural thermal deformation of the pipeline, reduce the impact of equipment vibration on the pipeline. Next, the force transmission joints are products that connect pumps, walls, pipelines, and other equipment to the pipeline. They are connected by all bolts to make them into a whole and have a certain displacement, which is convenient for installation. In operation, it not only improves work efficiency, but also protects the pipeline equipment such as pumps and walls. Thanks for taking your time. See you next time.